Storm Tracker 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Gusty winds and dark skies in Wairika from our Rain Rock Casino weather cam. We do have thunderstorms mainly west of Wairika. Take a look at our satellite and radar imagery. We're mainly focused to the north and west of Etna. Pretty strong storm here, slowly moving to the northeast at about 10 miles per hour. This storm capable of 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts as well as potentially half-inch diameter hail, especially in this purple shaded area. Another cell in the Happy Camp area. These aren't moving all that quickly, so they are producing definitely some heavier downpours. There could be some ponding on the roads as well, just because they're not moving all that quick. Also tracking an isolated storm that's popped up right around the Doris area. Not much in Jackson County. Can't rule out a stray thunderstorm through this evening, but we'll have another opportunity that maybe we see a thunderstorm later in the day tomorrow in the Rogue Valley. Should see more in the way of activity for the east side with tomorrow thunderstorm chances. We'll get into that in just a bit, but record heat today. We hit 104 degrees in Medford, just smashing the record of 98 degrees last set in 2015. We've tied the record in Klamath Falls, that record going back to 1903. Pretty impressive, and we were shy of record heat in Montague and Mount Shasta. Tonight will be very mild, down to 66 in Medford, 56 degrees in Klamath Falls. We should see the thunderstorm threat waning from west to east as we go through the overnight hours. Tomorrow will still be pretty hot. The bigger concern will be the thunderstorm threat. Expecting spotty to scattered storms across a good chunk of the region, especially Siskiyou, Klamath, and Lake County, but can't rule out a thunderstorm in the Rogue Valley. That could impact the Rogues game tomorrow evening. 93 degrees for first pitch at 6:35. Just a slight chance of a thunderstorm, and one or two storms could be on the strong to severe side. You can see this darker green shade area. That's a marginal risk for severe weather. One or two storms seeing gusts up to 60 miles per hour and maybe a 1-inch diameter hail, about quarter-size hail will be possible. Storms also capable of heavy downpours as well as abundant lightning. So things wind down overnight. Tomorrow as we go into the afternoon, seeing storm development in Siskiyou County. Over on the east side, storms will work their way northward and they could clip parts of Jackson County into tomorrow evening. Lingering thunderstorms possible on the east side tomorrow night, and then after that things will get kind of quieter for the region. And notice cooler. Highs in the lower 80s on Thursday in the Rogue Valley. So there is a cool down on the way as the week progresses. Much more seasonal temperatures late this week. Your 70 forecast for the coast, pretty quiet, still dealing with the marine layer and at this point just very cool temperatures, but pleasant. Northern California, good chance for thunderstorms again tomorrow. One or two on the strong to severe side. Should be a stormier day for the basin and the east side. A slight chance of another thunderstorm on the east side on Wednesday, but we should see that be fairly isolated activity. Good chance for storms up in the mountains tomorrow, and then in the Rogue Valley, slight chance of a thunderstorm tomorrow. Hot, highs in the upper 90s, but we drop back those temperatures later this week.